Hello, my name is Valentina Skipa-Shapeyko. I'm coordinator of the Urban Agenda Partnership on Innovative and Responsible Public Procurement and also chair of working group of public procurement of your cities. The training of today is total cost of ownership, and I will tell you more about it in a few minutes. This training is provided by PROCEDIN EU-funded project with a focus on green mobility, circular economy, and of course, a strong focus on innovation procurement. If you struggling to choose the right innovation procurement instrument, you can take a look at this decision-making model, and you will see above different stages, phases of procurement cycle, and also how much effort you have to deliver to do certain instrument of innovation procurement. While I'm going to tell you about total cost of ownership, I will also use the practical example kindly provided by Kaino Competence Center. And this example is about City of Helsinki in Finland, and it's about the planning and development of renovation procurement of residential buildings. In this particular example, improving energy efficiency and promote a circular economy. This it is important to have organizational overview and also to see what are possible estimated costs, what will be the budget, what will be the cash flow, how to organize contract management after the procurement, and also take a look at risk management in order to be prepared to possible possible risks and to find measures how to prevent them. And at this stage, needs analysis and market exploration should be completed. The step number one is determine period of this project lifetime period. In particular example is 19 months. And step number two is make a cost overview. As you see on the right side, there are different for your own checklist, different possibilities to think about certain costs. For example, also energy costs would be interesting to include, and so on. The lifespan of this particular case example, 25 years, and also they included also maintenance costs, energy costs, and so on in their cost overview. The third step is about actual value, which is also very important to take into consideration. And for the tendering, for the multi-objective optimization, different experts were consulted, and the work was carried out within the city. Mm, the next step is about contract form, and you should decide which contract form you would like to take, or contract forms. And in the case example, they considered criteria that were set for the planning based on the carbon neutral city 2035 action plan. And the fifth step is a calculation estimation of different costs. And was almost 50 million euros in this case. The next step is to think about distinctive factors. For example, which cost uh, will would have the biggest impact, or how to translate the biggest impact in costs. And for the carbon emission in the city of Helsinki, they calculated that the biggest impact factors would be heating and electricity consumption of the buildings. And step number 7 is about criteria, and award on best value procurement, of course, is very important. Mm, and in this case example, the quality weighted quite high, 70%, while price were weighted at 30%. And the last but not least is performance contracts, very important to involve experts, good contract managers to evaluate, to monitor the contracts also after the procurement itself. And in the case example, different tools were used, for example, energy optimization tools, life cycle carbon footprint calculation tool, and reuse review and plan as well. As a homework, you could also think about what kind of advantages would you have in case you would use this innovation procurement instrument, total cost of ownership, and in case you also will also think about the challenges you will probably also have by using this instrument, how to overcome these kind of challenges. I would like to thank the coordinator of the consortium, University of Twente, and also other consortium partners, Petal Consulting, F6S, Municipality of Haarlem in the Netherlands, and Gabrovo Municipality in Bulgaria. Thank you very much, and looking forward to seeing you at our other training materials and training sessions.